Hello and welcome to S Insights. Today we will learn how to install Java. So open your Chrome browser and search for Oracle Java. Press enter. The official website is visible here. Click on Java software. Click on download Java. If you scroll down, you'll see the JDK 25 version. You can download it for Linux, Mac OS or Windows. I'll download it for Windows, I'll choose the exe file to download. Just click on it and the file will be downloaded here. Let's wait for it to download. Click on open the downloaded file. Click on next. This is the path where the Java will get installed. That is in the C drive program files Java JDK 25. Everything is same. Uh, Keep as it is and click on next. Close. Now open your this PC, local disk C and program files. Scroll down and search for this Java JDK 25 bin and then copy this path. Minimize this and search for environment variables. Click open environment variables. Here in the system variables, double click on path, add new and then paste the path and OK. Click on OK and then again click on OK. Now open the command prompt and write java dash dash version. Here you can see the Java is installed successfully.